In this video, I am going to discuss the method of finding normalization in quantum mechanics. As an example, I will consider the example of a particle which is constrained in a box of width L, and these walls of the box are extended to infinity. For example, a particle is trapped in this box. The wave function which represents this particle can be written as psi is equal to a sine n pi x divided by L. This is the wave function which is carrying all the information of this particle. This a is the normalization constant. Now in this example, I will discuss the method of finding the actual value of this normalization constant. For calculation of this constant, we will use the normalization condition in quantum mechanics, which is integral from minus infinity to plus infinity mod of wave function square. As we are discussing it in one dimension, so the integral will be only along x-axis. This whole integral will be equal to 1. This is the condition of normalization in quantum mechanics. Now putting the value of psi in this integral, and the limits will be from 0 to L. Our integral will be a square 0 to L sine square n pi x divided by L dx is equal to 1. Now for simplification of this integral, I will use the trigonometric identity, which is sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. I will use this identity in this integral, and this integral will become a square into 0 to L integral 1 minus cos 2 n pi x divided by L whole divided by 2. This is equal to 1. And after the LCM break, this integral becomes 0 to L 1 by 2 dx and minus integral 0 to L cos 2 n pi x divided by L whole divided by 2 dx. Now when we solve this second integral and put the limit of 0 to L, this becomes equal to 0. So this term will vanish, and we are only left with the first integral, which is a square divided by 2, and this is x, and the limits are from 0 to L is equal to 1. When we put the these limits, then it will be a square into L over 2 is equal to 1, and our simplification gives us the value of a as square root of 2 over L. So this is the value of this normalization constant a. When we put this value here, then this complete wave function will be psi is equal to square root of 2 over L and sine n pi x divided by L. So this is the complete wave function of particle which is trapped in a box of width L. I hope you get the method of finding normalization constant in quantum mechanics now. Kindly subscribe my channel for more physics and mathematics videos and concepts.